Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing surface dirt so active steps reach the skin. Wash hands with warm water and mild soap for 30 to 60 seconds. Once dry, apply a 1/2 cup sugar mixed with olive oil and scrub in circular motions for 60 to 90 seconds. This mechanically lifts dead cells and lightens the top layer. Make sure to focus on knuckles and between fingers. Rinse thoroughly and gently pat dry if the tan is deep. Note that you'll repeat stronger treatments next. Once you've prepped the skin, you move to controlled chemical brightening and a calming mask. Begin with a small hydrogen peroxide spot test at 2 to 3% for 5 minutes to check sensitivity. Do not skip this. Next, mix 1 tablespoon plain yogurt, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, and 1/2 teaspoon turmeric into a paste. The yogurt soothes, lemon provides mild exfoliation, and turmeric evens tone. Apply the mask for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse gently, and immediately follow with a moisturizer to restore barrier function. You finish by locking in results and preventing recurrence. Consistently apply SPF 30 or higher every morning and reapply every 2 hours when exposed. Sun prevention stops new tanning. Maintain with a weekly scrub plus the yogurt lemon mask, and use a targeted brightening cream 2 to 3 times per week to gradually even tone. If you see redness, burning, or worsening discoloration, stop treatments immediately. Soothe with plain aloe vera, avoid acids, and consult a dermatologist if symptoms persist, because treatment sensitivity needs professional care.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.